Today we will see how to draw an isometric circle. This again comes under unit number 5, that is isometric projection. So let's start with the question. But before moving to the question, first understand why it is required. In orthographic, we have gone through a 3D object. In these two examples, you can see there are a number of features with the circular arc. Like here it is a semicircular arc, complete arc, semicircular, then circle, and many more are there. When you are going for the drawing 3D object, you must know how to draw an isometric circle. But first understand the difference between isometric circle and the actual circle. Here you can see this is actual circle, or you can say the orthographic view of any circular object. So this is 60 by 60. But when you go for the isometric view of the circle, then this square, which is in a 2D, becomes a rhombus and circle becomes an ellipse. So this is the basic difference between ortho and isometric. So let's start with the procedure to draw an isometric circle. Now here we are considering a circle of 60 mm diameter. 60 mm diameter circle fits into a 60 by 60 is a square. Hence, complete the cube of 60 by 60 by 60. How to draw a cube or box of 60 by 60 by 60, that we have learned in the previous video. So according to that, complete 60 by 60 by 60 is a box. Now first consider isometric plane on the right side of the O, that is A, B, C, D. Now join longest diagonal. See, there are two diagonals, BD and AC. Out of that, BD is the longest diagonal, so join this. Now plot all the midpoints of all four sides, AB, BC, CD and AD, all the midpoints. Consider the corner of shorter diagonal. Now AC is the shorter diagonal, so you can select any corner of the shorter diagonal AC and draw a line joining the opposite midpoints, or you can say the midpoints nearer to the corner C. Now here you can see the lines starting from the corner A and joining the midpoints nearer to the opposite corner, that is C. Now center as A and distance equal to this line. Draw an arc so that it will connect midpoints nearer to the corner C. Now center as A, start drawing an arc from this midpoint till it reaches the midpoint of AD. Then center as a C and draw an arc starting from this midpoint to this midpoint. And last, center as a E and start drawing an arc from this midpoint to this midpoint. In the whole procedure, you can see that arc starts from midpoint and ends at midpoint. All the four arcs, okay, you can see starts from the midpoint and ends at the midpoint. Now this is on the right side of the origin. Now we'll see, or we will repeat the same procedure on the left side isometric plane. So again, longest diagonal. Now this is BD is the longest and AC is the shorter. So first join the longest diagonal, then plot all the midpoints. Now from point E, draw a lines joining the opposite midpoints, or you can say the midpoints nearer to the corner C. Now center as a C and start drawing an arc from this midpoint to this midpoint, or you can say the midpoints nearer to the corner A. Now center as a F, start drawing an arc from this midpoint to this midpoint, or you can say the midpoints nearer to the corner D. Now center as a E, start drawing an arc from the corners nearer to the point C. Then point E as a center and draw the remaining arc to complete the circle. In similar way, you can finish the circle at the top isometric plane. In this way, you can complete all the isometric circles on all isometric planes. I hope the procedure is clear to you. Thank you.